Hi everyone, Josh from Riccar. We're going to show you what you get in the box when you get the 15-foot accessory kit for the Tandem Air vacuum cleaners. So here's what's in the box. You get the nylon mesh storage bag, the 15-foot hose, a 12-inch natural bristle floor brush in the kit. So this is what you get, and it all fits in the bag. Now that we've seen what's in the box with the 15-foot extension hose for the Tandem Airs, we're going to show you how to hook it up and use it on your Tandem Air vacuum cleaner. So we have the 15-foot hose, and we have the natural bristle floor brush that comes and sits, like we said, in the storage bag. You can just use the floor brush on the end of your really nice long hose on your Tandem Air vacuum cleaner. So you actually have the ability to just use it quickly as a floor brush. But if you want that extension of the hose, basically we're gonna take and add the hose right onto the end of the standard hose on the vacuum cleaner. Go ahead and hook it up to the end of this 15-foot extension hose. We have now approximately 32 feet of hose reach. So now you have roughly 60 feet of cleaning radius. You can do a lot of your house that way and not even have to move your vacuum cleaner, sweep your floors, do your vaulted ceilings. This even has adjustable little bleeder valve right here. If you're doing drapes or blinds and you want to kind of release some of the suction, you can do that right there at the end of the machine. You can also do it on the body of the vacuum cleaner, but maybe you're 15, 20 feet away and you just want to leak it out. You can literally leak it out right here, let some air loose and not pull down your drapes or blinds. So it's a great accessory kit. We hope you enjoy it. Happy vacuuming.